Algebra makes up roughly a third of the math section. Two-variable linear equations live inside that block. You cannot avoid them. The place many students lose points is not the algebra. It is the context question. A word problem gives you a line and asks what the slope means in that situation. Many students match the number to its position in the equation and stop there. But the SAT is asking what it means, not where it sits. The slope is a rate. The intercept is a starting value. Read it that way every time, and use Desmos. It is built into every math question. Type the equation, see the line, confirm your answer. HIROSCORE shows you exactly where this skill stands before it costs you. Help us test our beta and build something different and better. HIROSCORE.com, spelled with an I, address is in the profile. You show up, we do the rest.